Welcome to our construction update on the Gordie Howe International Bridge, taking place on August 8, 2024. As we stand at the last year of the construction journey, let's dive into some of the exciting developments in this transformative project. Highway 401 West ends where the Gordie Howe Bridge connects travelers directly to the Highway Interchange in Detroit, Michigan. Estimates suggest that the bridge will accommodate around 10,000 to 15,000 vehicles per day, which translates to approximately 3.6 million to 5.5 million vehicles annually. Among these vehicles, it is expected that approximately 7,000 trucks per day will utilize the bridge. Considering its importance for commercial truck traffic between the United States and Canada, this means that the truck traffic could range from roughly 2.5 million to 2.6 million trucks annually. That's a lot of traffic. Exciting progress is happening on site as construction continues to move forward. The Plaza road deck and the bridge decks are all looking great. We can see they are encasing the cable stays and exterior girders on the Gordie Howe Bridge deck. Construction crews are engaged in several key activities. Installation of formwork, or temporary molds to shape the encasement around the cable stays and girders. Then steel reinforcement bars, rebar, is added to enhance the structural integrity of the encasement. Concrete is then poured into the forms to create the encasement, ensuring proper coverage and bonding. The surface of the concrete is finished to ensure it meets design specifications and allowed to cure properly to achieve the necessary strength. Once that is done, they conduct quality inspections to satisfy compliance with safety and engineering standards, essential for the durability and stability of the bridge structure. Overall, while the bridge deck connection is now complete, additional work is still required, including restressing of stay cables, post-tensioning of the deck, and installation of electrical systems, fire suppressions, drainage systems, road barriers, signage, lighting, deck paving, and the multi-use pedestrian and bicycle path. In celebration of this achievement, let's highlight an interesting fact. Did you know that the Gordie Howe Bridge is designed to withstand winds of up to 250 kilometers or 155 miles per hour? This will ensure safe and reliable travel, regardless of weather conditions. The connection between the bridge deck and the road deck on the Canadian side has not been made yet, as we can see, but I expect they are working on preparations to get it finished. That will be an interesting milestone, I think. There is also a lot of work on the road deck, where it connects the plaza to the bridge. So what about the Canadian Plaza? Currently, construction work on the Canadian Plaza for the Gordie Howe International Bridge involves several key activities. The Canadian Port of Entry is undergoing ongoing construction for both interior and exterior components of its buildings and structures. Specific tasks include the installation of electrical fixtures, millwork, and sidewalk snow melt systems. Additionally, crews are working on canopies and roofing of various buildings. Bulk paving has been completed for inbound lanes to Canada, while paving for outbound lanes has begun. The Gordie Howe International Bridge will notably employ a number of individuals once fully operational. While exact numbers can vary depending on operational needs and the level of traffic, estimates suggest that the bridge will support around 400 to 500 jobs in total. Approximately 200 to 250 employees will be engaged on the Canadian side, including customs and border protection, maintenance, and administrative roles. An estimated 200 to 250 employees will work on the U.S. side, encompassing similar roles in customs, maintenance, and operational management. These figures include all levels of employment. However, actual employment numbers can fluctuate based on operational requirements and future traffic volumes. I am not a recruiter for any business I do updates about. However, if there is an opportunity, I'm going to mention it for the benefit of our community. If you want to apply for an employment position on the Gordie Howe International Bridge in Canada, you have a few options depending on the type of job you are interested in. Bridging North America is responsible for the construction and maintenance of the bridge. They hire skilled trades workers in Windsor, Ontario and Detroit, Michigan. I will leave email addresses in the description. You can email your interest in positions in Windsor or for your positions in Detroit. The Canada Border Services Agency, CBSA, is hiring approximately 200 border officers for the Gordie Howe International Bridge. To apply for these positions, you must be at least 18 years old and have a secondary school diploma. Interested candidates can apply through the Government of Canada's job website at jobs.gc.ca. You can also explore general job opportunities related to the bridge project by visiting the Workforce Windsor Essex website, which lists various positions needed for the construction and operation of the bridge. They say the early bird gets the worm. The project is expected to be completed by the fall of 2025, so if you are interested, maybe look into it sooner than later. Who knows? Together, we're building more than just a bridge. We're creating connections and economic opportunities for generations to come. Please like and subscribe to stay updated on this incredible infrastructure. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.